Okay, we are studying page number 114 and new page 128, chapter 6, Google applications for education. Okay, welcome. Chapter 6 is about the Google application. Many people use the Google application, include the email or YouTube and something, a lot of the application, and Google Drive or meeting, Google Meet, yes. That is usually is Google. Also, Google application for education is a special service from Google application package, because there are some education field is free of charge. Mean is the typical email is the at google.com, at gmail.com, username is free, but not Gmail, your own education email address, as like the school name, school.com, or something like this one is the not free. Private is not free, but is the education is free. This is the special service. Google application, many Google application has the square button. Yeah, square button here. Button at the application right after logging into your mail account. You find the Google application here. Google application is several kinds of Google, Mail, Calendar, Drive, Doc, Sheet, Slide, Site, Group, Contact, Crowd Searching, Form, Google Map. I usually use the Google Mail. It's a typical everyday. Google Calendar, wow, it's a wonderful tool. And Google Drive, Google Doc, and Sheet, also Contact, and Google Form, Google Map is usually used. How about you? Which one usually? Email, everyday, Google Calendar, no? Okay, Google Drive. Google Drive is a wonderful tool. Receive any forms. Contact, you use Contact? Actually, I'm just thinking my cell phone and the Google Contact is a huge connection. And it's almost the Google connection is the even everybody the Google Calendar and some car application connected is my car is a Tesla, is the I and the schedule send to the map. The Tesla car application is sync. Means I did not button the location, destination. They say send to Tesla. Tesla GPS, the map is automatically recognized and the next destination. Very easy for me. Also, contact is the saved my account, and then that is connected the social media. It's like the Telegram account, and then KakaoTalk account is connected. Means I invite my some the plan or some the needed to contact information automatically update. Is the Google application. First one is Google Mail. Okay, everybody used Google Mail. Google Mail allow you use your mail with variety features. Google Mail application is first one is everybody remember you want to use the Google Mail, you create account. Yes, one time you make your Google account. Is the simple create your account. If you have it, not need. Or actually, I have the Google email is the maybe 10 accounts. Why? I separated the purpose. My personal email, my official email, and my business email is separated. If you use the existing mail for personal use or the commercial use or business purpose use, you are creating your account. This is a simple create account. Create a new account is enter your name, basic name and ID, password. Sometimes they ask you your day of birthday, and then gender and the mobile phone number. Usually sometimes they input the telephone number, your cell phone number, Google send you text for secure way. Sometimes recovery email is additional email is you not remember the passcode, they send the recovery email. And Google is wonderful tool is Google emailing list. Mailing list. Mailing list is very wonderful tool. It's the group. I have the maybe 6,000 account contact information. Grouping is send one time many people. This is emailing list. Mailing email service is one of the most frequently used service along with internet shopping. Mail service play a very important role. Yes, everyday use. By establishing an email mailing group. Email mailing group is group by. Is the 6,000 contact group by is the mailing list. Mailing list is the maybe 100 group. You send one time 100 people simultaneously. That is grouping. It's the very easy. Usually the contact is included name and then email and then telephone number. This is the essential element. Through telephone, possible send email simultaneously. The 100 member once is useful because the phone is difficult, but email is one time sent a lot of people. Email can be sent anytime, regardless your situation, anytime. Advantage effective email, you need to set up and manage mailing group. The mailing group should be set up in group such as maybe is a church, school, youth group, and then several the man group, woman group, a lot of them. Also, you send the two kind of method is as like a blind carbon copy and carbon copy, CC. CC carbon copy is C all people together, but it's a blind carbon copy is only received only 1 mail. Is different. Send individual such as receiving their email address without looking same group email address. Mean is carbon copy see all member, but blind carbon copy is only receive. If you do not use blind carbon copy, receiver see exposure to recipient mailing list. Mean is one-time exposure all group members the email list is exposed. That is the issue of the security. Individual email. Sometimes vulnerable. Why? Some email is exposed to other people getting the email list and then hacking. Managing the mailing list. Even school send to student. Also class 20, 10 students together. Same. To manage mailing list, it is necessary to designate each group in contact management of the email address. In mailing service, provide the email service person. Therefore, emailing list management is the direct label. Label system is group. Designated group is one email, is several group. Simultaneously send the group as needed. Create the mailing list. First step to then use the mailing list service is create the mailing list. Is to create a mailing list, select contact. Yes. Mailing service page, register mailing address and select group together. Contact here is you find the some user, and then create group is you. Left side is the new group. There is the group menu and the button and enter new group name. If you want to register email address, then you want to register group, you have the existing email and then select here the select group. One email is you select group, multiple group is possible. And then you find the hierarchy. Group name. First one is the UR, group name, and then second one, contact, and group assign. This is one people is assigned group name and save. And then you are set and you created the new group name and then select people as group and then you send the group. There is the sending group. Sending mail, select to send, select group. Is send multiple email address one same time is the carbon copy. And blind carbon copy I mentioned. This one is I check and select. Carbon copy. Carbon copy is a method which people who receive an email open the contents of email when carbon copy method is selected when sending email. This is a basic method for sending group. In other words, A send to A, B include CC, mean is A and B know together, receive together. They know each other, name and email address. And blind carbon copy is different. Blind carbon copy is allowed to know is select group at the same time send many, but recipient can see is not open. A and B may same, but A and B cannot know who send email at the same time. This is a mailing method. As like you check the blind carbon copy, there is two compare blind carbon copy and carbon copy. Carbon copy sender selected as CC in composing mail and then sender same as CC and BCC. Recipient is all CC message with pure sender or pure recipient email, all email. But is the blind carbon copy is only show the sender email address, not blind carbon copies mail address. Other people cannot see other email. Carbon copy used for same email content is the share mailing address, share together. But is the blind carbon copy is not share, not to send email address each response individually, not share the other email address. I usually recommend the BCC for sending group, especially CC is share information together within the recipient. Another function is mail forwarding. Mail forwarding is a wonderful tool. I think so. Mail forwarding feature is the ability automatically send to specific mail account. Mean is okay, I have the one mail a@gmail.com, but is I forwarding b@gmail.com. Mean is someone send email a@gmail.com. a@gmail.com automatically forward b@gmail.com. Specific account email automatically, no additional forwarding. Also, this one is you turn on, off. You can manage. You are using this feature, you can turn on or cancel the automatic forwarding setting at any time by automatically forwarding. The user do see mail on behavior of giving message to login account for the mail if a person temporarily absent, unable to access the mail in a situation where representative mail is managed by itself. Yes. Also, it is possible to set multiple set email address in the mail forwarding so that mail can be automatically forwarded to multiple mail at same time. Mean is one mail representative. Email here and then forwarding several mail. One email forwarding several person. How to setting? Yes. To setting the mail forwarding function, first log in the mail account, select setting. Mail setting, user interface, as like this one, user interface, little bit changed according to the Google user interface change, but the concept is the same. In the mail setting, you find the forwarding and POP IMAP menu. Here, you can find it here. You are setting menu. There is the forwarding and pop-up menu. Is you are forwarding option. Forward option input email. Specific email. And then you are add the forwarding email address. Is add forwarding address is the icon here. You input this mail forwarding to your email, specific email. Add the forwarding occurred. Window appear. The next is you input specific mail email is to receiving some specific email. Enter new forwarded email list, and then finally you click is proceed. When screen appears, the new mail forward, select OK. This is another option to click for new mail forwarding. New mail address appears next to forwarding, and POP IMAP menu forwarded here is a copy. A copy of the incoming mail in mail setting of top menu list. If you select keep a copy in the box, option to put forwarding mail and retain mail in your existing account to remain unchanged. What it means is even forward mail, but the copy still that account, not remove. Even forwarding. I usually recommend to keep a copy in the box. You can select this one. When mail forwarding setting incomplete, and then select should select change. button at the bottom of the setting to save. When the save is complete, new mail forwarding mail test. Create a new mail with your existing mail account and select sending, forwarding, and login, and new mail saved multi, and then forwarding account and make sure forwarding test mail arrive in your mail inbox well. Yeah, this is you send and then a email a@gmail.com forwarding to b@gmail forwarding. Also, another features of the mailing setting is managing mail signature. This is the all features of the mailing setting, Google Mail. Mail signature management will provide information of the dispatcher at the bottom when sending mail, as if you are using formal mail related to church or ministry as the sign. Provide additional explanation of the group address, contact information, title, organization. Setting is the UR signature is the bottom page is attached. The menu list screen is a setting icon, same, and then you find the general. There is the signature page menu. And signature menu, you select signature. Default is disabled, but is you enter the approach information as like your name, email, and title, telephone number, fax number, and then even address, organization information is here, input, and then save change. When input is complete, select the save change button to save it. Yes. When sending mail, confirm signature part is the bottom of the mail. Is the you send the email as like me. Okay, I show you here, compose here, as like this one. This one is the signature page. Signature page is here, usually the setting. And then see all setting. You find it? This one, yeah. This one is signature page. Auto vacation responder. What is auto vacation? A mailing vacation responder function is very useful as a function sends reply automatically to sender of the mail. This one function is the you cannot receive the email. Why? You out of the country, you cannot available access the email during some special reason. You set up from period from 1 week, something like is the window setting, and then time setting. Mailing system is automatically response. This is you are temporarily abroad, do not receive a mail during your vacation. We select time. To use vacation responder function, select the general menu. In the mail setting top menu, there is the below vacation responder. There is a vacation responder setting. The setting is the response off. Default is off. You need to on this function if you want to use this function. Change setting is vacation responder on. And the save change. Change setting vacation responder on, select the period, okay. Select the period starting by first day and last day. Then save change. There is some two options. Send to email to you, someone. They are inside my contact list or anybody. There is a two option. Is there one option to only send a responder to people in my contact? Your contact list in person send email is the vacation responder response. Is the responder to the person in the mail address book, and only send the responder for people in that domain group. Domain group is your domain group. Is will respond only those who are same domain group. If option is not set, will respond all seven. If you choose to this option is only response for your contact and domain user, or no selection, or sender response. That is vacation responder. And the Google mailing address. This is a very useful tool. Why? You have the mailing list in your Google account. How many? In a lot of people, you want to use that mailing list for you want to use. How to use? Or you are wanted to this account is a mailing list, move to another mailing account, copy, contact person. It is necessary to systematically manage the mail address used in mailing. To back up, modify, and transfer email contact account. Backup. modify, transfer email, contact account. Yes, that is a very useful tool. Why? You have my case is that I have already in here, my contact, okay, contact. Yes, already my contact is, wow, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, wow. Yes. So, yes, I have the 9,865 mailing list as my account. I want to this account manage, copy, and export to the another account, something like that. Transfer mailing contact account. For example, you may need a transfer or mail list to you have to work with my group to different account. Yeah. That is big issues. Or if you are making change to your email account, yes, you want to different account change it. If you do not transfer or mailing list that you have already worked on, you should be very carefully with it can bring worst or mailing list be great. To manage mailing address, you can use export and import. A account, B account, you here export and import. That is you are managing mailing list. Export and import managing function for your Gmail account to provide you with the ability to easily manage your mail. Okay, do you have the experience? Mailing list is import, export. How many users do you have? Your account, contact account, 1,000? You didn't know? Okay, usually you find the account. Google Mail, maybe. Google account, they have the give it to me. Anyway, this one is the import. You go. Here, your account, and then here is the import and export. Export. Export contact is the function that extracts mailing address book information into Excel compatible files. Yes, you download files about the mailing list. That is export contact. You can choose the contact list. And here, and the more import and export. And then select address book is option to select desired address book, allow you to make full selection with the group. First group select is the option to select group you want to copy of address. Book from the among the group currently set address book. In the list group, select the group you want to copy from group list. This one. Export the content and you are make the group Google CSV or Outlook CSV. Because is you are choose option. This is a very useful tool. How many you can type in 1,000 email address and contact number. This one is automatically downloaded from the Google account. And then move to copy to new account. Select group, number of the address book is current group up here. And drag this one. Many group. If you select all contact, option copy the all address. You choose the one specific group or all group. You can download from the Google. Book there are currently registered in address book options. Mean is use before export all your contact information in your account. Which export format? What kind of format is possible? There are three options as difference as the option for extracting the selected address. Google SVS is imported into Google account. You want to account is transfer or move Google to Google is Google CSV file. Or you want to Outlook CSV from import into Outlook or another application. Mean is the mailing application, there is several different format. Outlook is the one of the mailing service of the Microsoft. Pre-card format is imported into Apple address book. Do you have any use the Apple? Is the you download as a pre-card. Is importing into Apple address book or another application. Mean is usually I'm the Android computer, Windows computer, Android the cell phone is a sync. Mean is I update import the contact list automatically my account is update. In my cell phone even. Mean is my cell phone and the Google account is a sync. Google CSV format is common to transfer and copy the address. Book method of the Google Mail. Select address book, selection and form, then select export. Yes, usually all contact and then select which form. Google CSV file. And then you click is a save file error. Save file is automatically export the information of the content. Contact information. Maybe that is include the name, email, telephone number. When the save complete, it is saved to same file type Google CSV. The default storage folder usually download folder. Download folder, you can find it. Next one, you are copy and transfer to another account. Now, export and import. The address book saved through the export function is on import. The feature that allow you to migrate your address book to another email account at the time and use it, update your contact. Migration. One account to second account is migration. Import contacts provide the ability to import mailing user information from another mailing service, from Outlook, Outlook Express, Yahoo, Mail, Hotmail, Andorra, and some other application. Okay, and Outlook is mail, Hotmail, select mail, login, contact, more, import. This one, you are copy from the export function, and then you are import. Import is the selected, and then you choose the file. You are downloaded maybe, and then select file, and then import. Open is import. Yes. They show me what number. How many? Result is when the import is complete. Contact. How many people contact is the move. Update. They show. Contact and message appeared in the import group. In some cases, different group appear. The group information belong to the import group, also belong to another group because it is imported. Yeah. So should I put the left side? Show off. And then find and merge duplicate. What is this? You import the email address, there is the several email is the duplicated. Why? You import address book is previously there has already. Mailing is duplicated. Means is you are select the and duplicate email is the merge to one mailing. To find and merge duplicate feature allow you search a duplicate mailing and combine duplicate message to organize your mailing address. In particular, if you add on address book with the import, some email address is not duplicate. mean is only copy, but the mailing address is not copied. And duplicate email is deleted, and then one email address book is combined. Set Google Mail, contact, more, find, merge duplication. It's the same as like this one. Some people multiple here. As like this one. It's merge. Okay, this one is a duplicate. Menu and the merge duplicate contact screen appear for duplicated mail address. Select merge is two mail is merged to one account, one mail. Maybe this one is the good tool, but sometimes the automatically I did not want to automatically manually you check. Why? Some is the different account. Is there confused maybe? If merge is done, the contact was merged successful. Something like this one is the mailing, is the, I'm not sure, it's duplicate. Here. Anyway, this one is the different story. Contact here, display. Here, a duplicate bound is view, and like this one is something like this one. The same email is the maybe. This one is merging. Okay, merging is the merging. Also, another one is the same. Is the mail is merging, and this one and this one. Okay, this one is merging. Same phone number. Same email address. Also, this one is I found in GCT. Okay, this one same, and then is merging. This one kind of the mailing list is the double. You can merge it. This is merging the successful, and then you managing your mailing address. Another features of the Google application, Google Calendar. Calendar application is one of the applications provided by Google that is very useful for application that managing time and date, such major date, time and plan, share the schedule, time within shared account. That is the calendar Google application. For me, this one is you go to the here, you go to calendar. This is calendar. You find it. This is my personal schedule. Is the today have the each one has the my schedule meeting. Is the they send me 50 minutes before your time. What time is the my schedule? Something like is the daily, monthly. Okay, monthly, weekly. This one is a weekly schedule, and then daily schedule. daily schedule show me. It's good tool for me. Calendar application. The Google Calendar application is login your account, mail account, same. Square find the calendar icon. Calendar icon. Scheduled by the date, week, and month. Yes, entire schedule appear the different screen according to various schedule by date, week, month, and agenda. This one, you are here, find it, this one, and schedule. Also years and 4 days. This one is 4 days. Okay. Usually the monthly is very more easy to see. Shared schedule. Shared schedule means is that you are wanted to share my schedule to another person. It's a shared schedule. Shared schedule is easy. Why? My schedule and share to another person or group. To share the schedule, click this setting icon on the upper right corner and the list of the several sub-menu appear. In calendar setting, calendar tab, share editing setting. And then you input email address to share the schedule. And then you finish, choose the add person and save. That means that this email address is shared screen, shared schedule. Sometimes the team members share schedule together. That is a beautiful tool. More easy with the team member. Everybody use the calendar? Yes, no. You use, James, you are use? No? Other people use calendar? No, not use? Oh, I very use the calendar. Even I mentioned here or today. Here is the here. Okay, this one is the here today lecture is the I'm the setting the what address, and then this one is address is the is here is my cell phone, and then send it to my car. Also invite link is the share another person. My schedule. This is the wonderful tool. Isn't the direction? Any person use the Android, the navigation, your car is sync. That is the you click and then they are make the navigation. It's good. Anyway, this is the share and the sending and confirming mail and the saving is complete. Mailing automatically send to schedule sharing email. Share another person. And then confirm sharing schedule. If login with the different email account, the calendar share enable and select the calendar application. That is automatically show the schedule is shared. My calendar on the left and your calendar is the different calendar is there is several calendar. So here something like the here is my calendar and other something like this one. Different calendar is shared. Also, new calendar setting is a feature that allow you create a new calendar for your Google Calendar that is specific, separate from your schedule. So you can share your schedule and distinguish it from your entire account. Meaning is you want to separate schedule. Your entire not share. Specific group wanted to share. Our team member only. This is a new calendar setting. Is you are choose calendar setting, select a new calendar, set new calendar name, description, country, time zone. Sometimes time zone is very important. Ever remember, California and New York is a different time zone. Also, specific your country or other country is separated different time zone. But important one is you setting at California time zone, automatically receiver they see their time zone. Even sometimes I'm testing my timeline, I go to some other country, other time zone is automatically updated. Mean is that I go to the New York is 3 hours earlier. Also, new time zone setting is very important. Usually the time zone setting and cell phone is change location, cell phone is updated their location, automatically calculate the time zone and then show me their location time. It's good. Even daylight apply. Yeah. It's very sophisticated. I like it. When you enter new schedule, you can select a separate calendar to discuss between the entire schedule and yearly create the specific calendar. This is calendar. Is Azure new calendar. And any question about the calendar? No? Okay. Calendar, I like actually also my personal another is I have another optional application is a calendar open. Actually, I'm this one, a calendar. Maybe this one? Yes, I think. Okay. Yeah. Actually, Google Calendar is the user interface more, something like more in the text and visible is more not attractive. And then I use the A calendar. A calendar is the same Google Calendar, but this calendar is the navigation view more. There is why it's in the picture. Okay, I'm back. It's a calendar application. Okay, and then image. Okay, image is better. More. Okay, here you can see something like this one is more visible. More visible. Here, more the C is very attractive. This one. Okay, this side. More the time is the more visible and the more convenience for me. I This one is a schedule is basically Google Calendar, but show me is a calendar. A calendar is help me to see more visible. Everything is careful. This one is better to me. Okay, next one is the Google Drive. Wow, Drive is form is a wonderful tool. It's a wonderful tool. Even educational field calendar and mailing is the wonderful tool. Communication with the student or inside the institution. Also, Google Drive is a wonderful tool. Receive the application, something like Google Drive form is one of Google applications that allow you store and share a variety of the documents and files. Google Drive, technically Google Drive is a wonderful tool. One of the, everybody know, Google Drive Desktop. You find it, this one? Google Drive Desktop is a wonderful tool. Wow. I use the Google Drive because I have the one account, but I use the several computer at home, office, and then even as like the mobile teaching or at the other place. I have the computer is the maybe usually 4 computer use. One, this computer is the usually when I teaching and outside the office I'm teaching. Another the computer is the inside of the second mobile purpose, and that is usually focus on the working laptop. Another one is my office and another one is my home. It's a different computer, but share the file together. How to? Google Drive. Typically, Google Drive is use the Google Desktop Drive. That means is the cloud-based. It's a wonderful tool. Mean is I did not save my file at this computer disk. All file is saved to my cloud-based Google Drive. But it's used the purpose is very similar as hard disk. It's those you can easily make a web link such as online application, questionnaire, and evaluation by utilizing form function. Yes, form is a function that can compile each data in the same way, except when the user directly apply online. It is particular is provide a link and embed the code automatically linked to social media service such as homepage and Facebook, so it can link direct to the homepage. I show you one. Okay, this one is very difficult. Okay, okay, I have the event one thing. millionclick.org is one of the ministry website event. Actually, this one Korean, but it's I'm just to show you. This one is here is the QR code, and the people use QR code link. QR code is here. Is you are the link is the applicant. Click here. Automatically change this one. Everybody see? This is the form. Input the name, email, phone number, address, something like is the you are input. That is a gallery. My site. Yeah, that is a wonderful tool. Is the Google Form. Select Drive in Google application. Here, Google Drive. Here, Drive icon. Here, and then Google Drive form. Okay, form is the make form. Create a new form. And create a new form. Select calendar left side is the you find the Google form. Okay, form, and then writing new form content. When new form content creation screen appear, default is untitled form. Untitled form is you change the name. Enter the title, have text, select question type, depend on question type, various response options are entered. Here, okay, there is some question. Question is you are input. Second type is type, and then choose from the list, and the checkbox. You choose, and then paragraph or the short sentence, and then confirming page, send the form, and then you find the share link. Share link is automatically generated. This one is the, okay, I want to check. Well, I need to show a little bit. Okay, text, special text, and this one. And then this one, this account is the you Drive. And then Google Drive is here. This one is Google Form. And your something like is a full name, email. This one is you are selected. Also something like the you are okay. This one I show you here. That is option is the short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop on, file uploaded. This one is the options. Sometimes date is possible. Sometimes time is possible. Select the option. This is the one of kind appointment. It's wonderful. This is free of charge. Google provides the form. Wow. How about you? Is it good? Everybody use the Google form? Yes, no? Not yet? Yes. This one is my opinion is very wonderful tool. You are working for the office start working. Google Form is the fundamental, and then this one is finally make your form. Okay, and then here you link, copy, publish the copy response link, copy. This one is send to other people, send to other email address. This is share. Link to share. It provides a form link. Is most basic form. If you make the HTML link for your homepage or link to share, as like the embedded to done or embedded form, and then you make it embedded. Also, in my case, is that you find it this one. Okay. Here. Also, you make the poster, and the poster make the your link is the connect the QR code. Everybody have the any express make QR code. QR code is link, and then any person QR code is the link, and then screen, and then push, and automatically QR code, and then the video QR code is linked to specific form. This one is wonderful tool, and then send the form by email, and the form result is the user allowed to respond form and then delivery linked various ways such as link share method. Even you send the KakaoTalk or link, Line, Telegram, email as a response. Response is their response. Checking result, you select send from the bottom your drive. And like the who is response is here. Find it. Okay, here is response. Response, see how many person response. Something like that you create the Excel file, you download the Excel. Is checking result. If you select resend from the bottom button, how many people response is write the Excel file. Is very wonderful tool. More easy, more understand, easily to see the list. And there is several form option is make copy. What is make copy? Mean is that you already one application form, and then you want to duplicate it. Duplicate is make copy. Make a copy feature allow you to create a new form by modifying the existing Google Drive form. Yes, copy. Duplicate. Use a form that modify. Use the name and use this form the additional input list. Add the existing data. It's good. To collect the new data, you need to create a new form. At this time, it's more efficient to modify the existing form and store it on the new name rather than create a new one. Mean is that you are create entire form is more spend time, but it's modify, duplicate, it's more easy. Just to change name, just to input options only. That is make copy. This is make copy, and then you click is more easily saved file. or C, previously response is publish and show public link to form result. Option, when you create the form, you will see the link. Allowed you create the form and submit it. This one. There is this response, how many people respond. Is Google Form provides systematic summary of result, how many people respond. Even this function usually used for some survey, voting, is possible. Yeah. There is a setting, is there, you use the option. There is some option is the currently option is collect email address, respond and receive, require sign in. It means is the some option is they did not log in account. Mean is the some the issues. Mean is that you can use this option. Some people need to Google account and then they provide you email. Something like this is sometimes this account or input person is validity or not. This is one of the options. And then restrict group is only specific distributed group or domain or only our inside. Another option is limited to one response, means is only one email, only one time response, no multiple choice, multiple input. Respondent can is the option to respond to response. Edit after submit. What does it mean? User submit and then they can allow to change it or not. That is edit after submit. Option they can modify after form is created. See summary chart and text response. Option view result after created form. When option selected is complete, save to select save. Yes. And then you copy, send it to the people. And then next one is Google Drive, is a file sharing. File sharing is a wonderful tool. You want to share your file to another person. But this file size is very big, 100, something like 200 megabytes. That is impossible to send through email. Usually Google email is I think the 25 megabyte is the limit. And Google Drive file sharing is a feature that allow you to collaborate or share specific folder, file and folder together. Files within the designate the user, allow you share the large files and then large file at once. File management, folder management. You Google Drive file sharing. First login and account selected drive is the Google Drive. Create folder. Create folder, you option. You are share my folder and then you create the new folder and your specific name. As like your some name and they create it. And created your name is here. As like list is the the list type is the you select this and upload to the file. Upload the file to the folder you want to share. If you select new create the folder before upload file, only current folder will display. Drop file here. Yes, here as right click. Display. And then your mouse and the drop file here, or right click and then upload file. And then you select the window. As right this one. Under the file, you choose one file and select the specific file and upload it. You can select multiple files. Yes, no problem. And several files together. And the upload is automatically uploaded. This one. Google Drive is the automatically uploaded. And you find it. And the share setting. How to share? Okay. You go to your folder or file, and then right side is share menu. And the share menu, when you select the share menu, share with others, window appear, and you enter mail to share in this window. Mean is you input the email address, specific email address you want to share together. You can add the email address of the people you want to share with other and add them later. If you personal today and later you modify and then change. Enter the email address of people you want to share with the enter simple message and drag this one. You can share. Send button. This one is automatically sent to shared email address. Mail sent. And that is received. Is Google send to email. You invite, share someone this folder. When share setting is complete, the mail is sent. Mail related sharing is the received recipient mail box. Yes, click and open button, confirm share folder bar. If the recipient choose open, Google Drive screen share the call or open and show the shared file. Yeah, simple. This is added to my drive. Several options used added to my drive. Added to my drive. This is the not share is the sharing file to save to my drive. Is the copy to send the shared file is added to my drive. At the same time, clicking file share by color is the copied to response. My drive. Copied file is moved to destination of the response, downloaded or reshared again. This is Google Drive. Also, you want to this file at the Google Drive, you can download to your computer, local computer is downloaded. Sometimes download is the good tool. It's option download the share file to this is the computer, your computer. After selecting, send the share file, right click and download. When download the progress, a window for share saving appear, yes, appear or saving. Or you can save the file. Yes. Also, you upload file option response to upload file to send the folder. If there are communication, you access send the folder share as editor. You upload to send the folder. Get share the link. And share link is right click and then you share the link. Yes, get share link here. Basically share. And basically link share of this is not share for link, but through the input directory mail response additional is a share setting. There are several things. Link share on options. Okay, I want to close today. We focus today is Google application. Google application is good tool. People to use the Google Driver is the even not educational only. Our class is the efficiency of the technology to apply to your educational purpose, but Google Drive is one of the big good tool anywhere. What kind of job, what kind of your work. Very famous. It's free of charge. Wonderful tool. And the Google Cloud Base is my personal opinion. Google Drive is this one is the desktop version. Is a synchro your hard disk. Mean is in here you see my here. I have the one drive again, Google Drive. As like my local disk, I use Google Drive as my local disk. Mean is I use the several computer. Google Drive is connecting together. I did not need additional job. Only save Google Drive. All my other computer